In this episode of the Motorcycle Minute, we brought our expert Trevor from Too Cool Motorcycle School, who's been doing it for 29 years in Calgary. Great to have you here, kind sir.
Thank you so much.
A lot of questions we get asked on the Motorcycle Minute is about hand signals. I mean, we have all of the devices here on the bike. Why do we even need to know about hand signals?
It's a great question, and it's something that our students ask us as well. You know, like we said, the signal lights on the bikes, just like the car, they work just fine. But sometimes you might be going in such a direction that the sun is behind you, kind of blocks that you don't get that image. And the hand signal, both right and left, you can see a lot better. But the number one reason, Phoenix, is why we prefer to teach hand signals. It brings someone's kid on that motorcycle. Our parents taught us right and left.
Right. And you know what? We're small enough too. So why not make ourselves even larger so people can see us?
Couldn't agree more.
All right, give us some examples, man. Hand signals. Well, I'll tell you, Trevor, your mama would be proud, man. The hand signals work, and it works for more safety. Thanks for watching the Motorcycle Minute. Now let's go out there and practice these things.
Right on.
This is left, right?
I think so.
Left, right?
Oh, absolutely. That was a good